So hello and welcome to another lecture in Gitness course series by techlatest.net. So far we had covered course overview, objectives about Gitness, then setup installation of Gitness on AWS. Now in this lecture we're talking about setup installation of Gitness on GCP, basically Google Cloud Platform. So I have to click on product and support page, then click on after this you have to check the Gitness product in DevOps category, then click on Gitness product. Here you can find about the key features, use cases of the VM and the Gitness. Okay, so in this lecture we'll cover GCP deployment guide. So click on GCP deployment guide. Here you can find about the setup installation of Gitness, self-hosted private and secure open source GitHub alternative on GCP. So this is the step-by-step guide. So first step is open this link in new app. Okay, so you can redirect to Google Cloud Marketplace where Gitness product is listed by techlatest.net. Okay, so here you can see the overview, pricing and other things. So you can check this one, check this stuff. Now click on get started. After clicking on get started, you can accept these terms and agreements, then click on agree. Okay, after this, what we have to do next, wait for 1 minute and click on deploy. And then here you can see that your deployment process is started now. Okay, on Google Cloud. So let's see what is our next step. So we have completed this step. So we have accept these terms and agreements. We have deploy our VM, give deployment to your, give a name to your deployment. Okay, we have done with these steps. Now next we have give your deployment name, basically your VM name. Okay. Now choose existing account, new account, then select zone according to your zone. Okay, and then select machine type. So let's check on website. What is the machine type on website? Okay, so our machine type is website is N1 standard V1 CPU 3.75 G memory. Okay, so same, this is done. Boot stack, this is our boot disk and size GB. So now click, after this click on deploy. Okay, so after clicking on deploy, it will take some time to deploy your VM and start your VM. Here you can see the step 3 by 3 deploying. Okay, so wait for some time because it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So okay, here you can see that our VM is deployed. Now click on compute engine button. So it will open your VM detail page or VM instance page, you can say. Basically, this is the VM details page. Now you can see that your status of the VM is running, and you can check other things like the firewalls and other things. Now, next, what we have to do, we have do SSH here. Okay, so click on SSH button, then open in browser window. This will open your terminal, and you can log in terminal with as an Ubuntu user. Okay, so next what we have to do on the instance page, this will open SSH window. So switch to Ubuntu user and navigate to the Ubuntu home directory. Okay, and you can change the password for Ubuntu user using below command. So let's see what is our next step. Okay, so we have, you can see that we have successfully logged in our terminal now. Okay, we have enter in the terminal. So sudo su ubuntu, you have to run this command next. Okay, so paste this command here, run this command. Okay, so unable to open the directory. Okay, no worries. Okay, so again copy this command and then paste this command here. Then click, then you can enter in Ubuntu user. Now you have to change the password for Ubuntu user using the following command. Okay, so paste this command again here and you can change the password, give new password here. Okay, again retype new password. So you can see that your password is updated successfully now. Next, what we have to now, the password for the Ubuntu user set, you can connect to a VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using RDP or Linux machine using Ramina. Okay, so if you are a Windows user, so you use RDP, and if you are a Linux user, so you use Ramina. Okay, so I am on a Windows, so I am using RDP here. Okay, so search about remote desktop option and then paste the public IP here. Okay, so paste the public IP here and click on connect. Okay, after this click on yes. Then give username as Ubuntu and give password. Okay, so your password is So we have entered our password now. It will take some time to log in. Now let's see what is our next step. To connect it, the Gitness UI, copy the public IP of the VM and paste it in browser. Okay, so copy the public IP address. We have copied the public IP address. We have paste also in our browser. Again, we have hit enter. Okay, now click on advanced and click to proceed this IP. Okay, after processing this IP, you can access the Gitness UI from here. Okay, so let's see what is our next step. So wait for 1 minute. It will take some time. Let's also check uh, our RDP, basically remote desktop. Okay, so we can see that we have signed in. We have to create a new account if you are if you have no account, so you can create new account. When accessing the UI, you need to sign up to create the first user. The first user created will automatically become admin user. Okay, one on login page, click on sign up link, provide the sign up information and hit enter. Okay, so we have sign up here, give user ID as demo 8. Okay, we can enter our email also here. Okay, so we have enter our email here, then give password. Okay, again password and sign up. You can see the user was created. Okay, so we have successfully logged in our Gitness UI. Okay, so you can select and start the project here. You can click on new project. Then here you can see the user. Okay, so you can check the user here. You can see the user. You can view your account email and other things. Okay, then click on Gitness again. Okay, so this is basically about the Gitness UI. And next step is if you want, like by default, anyone have accessing to the Gitness VM UI, can click on sign up link on login page or go to this IP page and create user. If you want to disable this behavior and want to only admin to be able to create sign up new user, then follow this disable user sign up page. Okay, so this is the disable enable user sign up page. We have separate video on this thing, basically the sign up disable and enable user sign up page. Okay, so we'll cover in next video like this stuff. So that's all about this video, and I hope you guys like this video and this course. So bye bye, we will meet in next video.